Hi, this is part 1 of how to make the foot for the cat pillow. And I am starting with showing you how to make a magic circle. Now, how to make a magic circle. I wrap it around my little finger and back and forth and over the top of my index finger, pulling a long tail. I've done this my whole life, and this is the way I do it. You take your yarn and you hold it between your second finger and your thumb, and it's looped up onto your index finger. You pinch this between the thumb and second finger and the index finger and twist it, and then hold it with the thumb and index finger, and there's your loop. You insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again and pull through, and now we're ready to start the half double. Half double is you yarn over, put it in the loop, yarn over, pull back a loop, and pull through all 3 loops. Here is where I like to stop and put my first marker. And I use a contrasting color, and I've always just used yarn. You can use anything you want as a marker. It's entirely up to you. But this is the way I do it. Now, we've got 9 more to make, so let's yarn over into the circle, pull up, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, pull up, and through all 3 loops. That's 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. We're going to do 10 for this, to make this foot for the cat pillow. And I hope this video explains it well enough where you can pick it up so easy. And I'm sure you can. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, oops, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now you take your hook and insert it into the stitch that you marked and slip stitch into that stitch, and then pull out a little thread so you don't lose it. Turn your work over, grab the tail that you left, and gently pull until you close that circle in the middle. And then you take your needle, thread your needle onto the yarn, and you want to anchor this down just about right away, because as you crochet more it will start loosening up. So if you have it anchored in place, you don't have to worry about it. And I come like this, and then I go backwards on it so that it will stay anchored. This is so silky, and worry about it slipping out, so I do a little extra. And then just clip the end. And there is how you make, how I make the magic circle. And as you're working, make sure you take your marker up each row. And I will see you in the next video.